a great choice today with the 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, compass, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, tachometer, overhead console, rear window wiper, rear view camera, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.